Hey, what's going on? It's Sauce here, and we're here for Yugioh Thursday, and the first pack I'm going to open up is a Cosmo Blaze, first edition. I have all three different packs. I have 3 packs, by the way, and Johnny's not going to be in this one. I think we should actually explain why, maybe after this video, in a separate video, I don't know. So the first one is the Big Cattle Drive, XYZ Dimension Splash, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Raven. I got Rooster in the last video, secret rare. Hazy Pillar, I think this is a rare card. Heraldic Beast Leo, Spear Shark, XYZ Double Back, and a Garbage Ogre, and an Abyss Scorn. Next pack will be the Return of the Duelist. I was almost bending the cards there. Noble Arms, Gallatin, 3 of a Kind, Damage Mage, Little Trooper, Chronomaly Colossal Head, nice, Gear Accelerator, Little Trooper, Chronomaly Golden Jet, and Stonehenge Methods. And the last pack that I have is a Legacy of the Valiant. Hopefully we get something good. So the first one, Ghost Trick Mummy, Gravekeeper's Ambusher, Gargonic Golem, Bujin Regalia the Jewel, Oath of Championship, and we got nothing in these packs. Gilligalancer, Rose Witch, Ghost Trick Jack Frost, and XYZ Shift. And that's it for these Yu-Gi-Oh packs. I think we're going to switch to Pokemon. We're going to maybe do a Yu-Gi-Oh once in a while, but mainly just Pokemon from now on. We'll see you in the next video.